Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, from where the Maven project will fetch the downloaded jar files from. Let me answer. In Maven project, we generally go to the pom.xml file and add some dependencies of different third-party libraries like TestNG, JUnit, Selenium, Extend reports, POI API, Log4j, and all those stuff. And when you provide the dependency tags there in the pom.xml file and save the project, the jar files of such libraries will be downloaded, okay, and will be configured for the project. Okay, from where these jar files will be fetched then, okay, from where they will be downloaded and from where this Maven project will fetch the jar files into the project, okay, as part of configurations and all. So that is from a, the answer is nothing but that is from a local repository. Okay, that is a .yum2 folder will be there. I'll show you where exactly this folder. Under this folder, some repositories folder will be there. In that we can find. So let me practically demonstrate so that you'll be able to get the answer for this question in a proper way. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. I'll just go to one of the sample Maven project. In that, we can find spawn.xml file I'm opening. And if you go to the dependencies, here we have TestNG dependency, Selenium Java dependency. There is one more Maven project, and in that pom.xml file is there. Let's see what kind of dependencies are there. Here also, the same two dependencies are there. Whatever that is, earlier we may have JUnit dependency, okay, added and removed from this section, whatever it is. Once you add the dependency tags here and save the project, in your computer machine, okay, in your computer machine, if you go to your drive, where users folder is there, C drive or something, users folder. In that, go to the username folder. My username folder is Arunyam. In that, if I go, you can find this .yum2 folder. Okay, this is Maven related folder, yum2 folder. If you go there, inside yum2 folder, you'll find this repository folder. In that repository folder, you will find all the libraries. Okay, that Maven project is fetching from this local machine. Okay, this is a local repo. Actually, this is a local repo of these jar files of different libraries that we have for now or earlier used in our Maven projects. Okay, if you remove this also, the jar files of this library will still be there in that local repository folder. It will not get deleted. Again, if you add, if the same version is there, it will first fetch from the local repository only. Okay, it won't take it from somewhere else. So this is a local repo maintained. Once downloaded, the jar files will be put under this local repository, and no matter how many Maven projects you create, they will refer to this local repository and check first whether whatever the dependency tags we provided for that, the libraries are existing in the local folder or not, local repository folders or not. If not, only then it will get from somewhere else, okay, from the remote locations, remote repositories. Fine. So if you can see here, earlier we used to have JUnit in this dependency tags for the Maven. In the previous videos and all, if you have seen, JUnit dependency tags used to be there. Now they are not there. I have removed, but still JUnit folder is there. In that, if you go inside the JUnit, you'll find, you see, different several versions are there. You can get all the jar files of that JUnit. Okay. Not only that, for now you see TestNG dependency is there. We can find the TestNG dependencies here. Somewhere hiding inside the org folder. Okay, we have to search and find. There's no other way. You go to the org folder, you can find the testng here. In the testng, you see report ng related is also there, testng related is there. Whatever the libraries have used so far in my computer machine as part of different projects in my computer machine. You see how many testng versions are there from long back. Okay, the testng versions are still residing. This is the latest, I think so. You see. Okay, just go and see the jar files are there. From it is fetching. Okay, from it is fetching the jar files. Okay, it will not directly download, because you see, to download it will take some time, right? So it will first take. Okay, it's like a cache kind of thing. Local repository is a kind of cache, browser cache kind of thing, where you don't have to download every time. Okay, if downloaded, it is put at that location, and if it is already there, and again if you are requesting the same testng thing, it will go to the local repo and get it. No need to download again from the internet and all. Okay, so that's what is the funda. So like that, whatever the dependency tags you added here as part of the pom.xml file under the dependency tags, Okay, now or in the past or in the future, all the jar files for that libraries will be added to your local repository. That is the M2 folder under the repositories folder, username folder under that M2 folder under that repositories folder. Okay, in that repositories folder, you will find all the jar files of different versions of libraries. Okay, every copy of the version. Okay, even though you have upgraded to the latest version, old version jar file still exists. Okay, in that local repo. So tomorrow also, if you create new project and use any of that library with that version and all, if it is already there in the local repo, it won't download it again. Okay, it will simply fetch it from the local repo. If not available only, it will go for the other place. Okay. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. That is from where the Maven project will fetch the downloaded jar files from the local repository. That is users folder, username folder under that M2 folder under that repositories folder. You can find them. Okay. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.